bitch, I'm tryna hit the kill switch. Better not jump up in that water, you ain't tryna kill shit. How the fuck you niggas steppin'? Y'all ain't never drill shit. Bitch, I'm on my body, I ain't even popped the pill yet. No, Bangman, we like robbing, move wrong with jacking shit. Cut the bands up in my robbing, moving bows, taxing shit. Niggas twin up on that phone, we catch 'em out, we whacking shit. The mama got on thongs, I'm tryna bonk her, she a bad little bitch. Love the way she work that pole and throw that ass and shit. Niggas pussy and they mad, we really having shit. Glizzy got a butt, so when I shoot it, do it glitch. I'm tryna hit his ass the top and leave him with no face and shit. Walk his ass down with the Drake, watch his body drop. Throw him in the lake, this Drake got rapid fire, ain't no getting away. Hit up gang, let's hit the block, I'm tryna start up my day. Rolling 3-5 in this wood, I'm smoking dead ops to the face. Don't ask me about no murder, pussy, bitch, get out my face. Police to my Glock, they tryna build another case. I put some ice up in my watch, I might just change out the face. Try to jack and you gon' die, well if you play, that's where you lay. Tell my brother, them stay dangerous, we don't never play it safe. We don't never play it safe. Before you walk up out that crib, nigga better grab your Drake. We don't do no lead shots, we only shoot above the waist. Steady sipping on this walkers for the pain and not the taste. Steady spinning on that block, I'm tryna fill it up with tape.
If you want something better, go get it, cause if you wait, then it's too late. I'm letting shots straight out that Smitty, tryna smash your fucking face. Fuck that shit, grab ARP, I'm tryna make sure I don't leave traces. These niggas really hoes, that's on my life, they ain't gon' take shit. Fill your ass up with 101 hoes just like a Dalmatian. They know I don't play that shit, I feel offended, I'ma spray it. Come try your luck, you think I'm lying, cause that's on God, I ain't gon' fake it. Top be on the go, I told my brother keep his patience. Any nigga play with you, that's on my life, turn him to patient. My twin know I'm gon' ride, give a fuck about the situation, and I put that on the nation.